Okay guys, so here is my LED blinking project that blinks with Morse code. This is a Raspberry Pi Zero with Wi-Fi, so I went through the setup and downloaded an image on the SD card. Um, Hooked up the LED to one of the GPIO pins and put a resistor in there. It's important to get the cathode and anode right. 100 ohm resistor. Um, as far as the C code goes, I'm using the basic text editor in the Raspberry Pi OS. Um, it seems like the uh, easiest way is to use this wiringPi library if you're going to use the GPIO pins for C++ on the Raspberry Pi. So I had to install that. The original author isn't maintaining it anymore, but there's another GitHub page of a fork of it that seems to be working fine on the Raspberry Pi Zero. Um, so yeah, use that library. And here I have some delays for the for when the LED should blink. Longer time, 3 times as long for a dash instead of a dot. So to run it, the first thing I'll need to do is use the G++, C++ compiler, and I'm using the switch here, which tells it it's using the GPIO library with the switch here at the end. So first thing I'll do is after I finish saving that text is compile it and then run it. So it asks for a string. We'll do a short one, just 2 letters at first, and then it's dash dot dash. And then since the requirements say that it should be a program in a loop and not exit, after it finishes this, it will ask again. So hello world, just kind of long with the delays I have. Okay, so that finished, and then it asks for another string here, and then when the other requirement is that it has an escape character, so for me it's a $sign. I hit enter there, and then it returns back to the command line, and that's all that I got.